Hey, Autumn, where are we? Hey, Craig, where are we?
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. We are in Copenhagen. All the fan babs there.
Perfectly Copenhagen.
We're just walking back to my favourite dinner place down the shopping strip.
Oh no.
And we're having an absolute blast. Me and Craig went and saw the palace.
Hi, Mary.
And the kids were
And the
played
kids
in
are-
the playground.
Playground for ages. Mum's played in the playground and we're just chilling. So
We're hungry.
yeah, now I'm
And
hungry.
look at Nate. Look at Nate.
Me and
Nate's
Nate.
walking all over Europe.
My God, that kid. You know he'll be the most richest, powerfulest businessman out of everyone one day. It's just. Anyway, all right. How you feeling in Copenhagen, Faffy?
Great. Now I've had my drink. One alcoholic drink, and this place.
We've just been drinking, walking down Niham. It's awesome. I love it, and it's less than a week to my wedding. Are you excited? Copenhagen, hey! Thank you so much.
I know.
Happy Mother's Day!
I would.
Happy Mother's Day! Everything. Dad said he's got it.
Oh, yay, home to my
Anyway.
bed.
So now we're walking down this.
Little house.
He said he did. Dad, do you still have that connector that Craig lost? Let's talk to this conversation. How are you finding Copenhagen? That good, eh? I actually didn't even think about that. Is it that good? Starbucks. Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton. Prada.
Prada. So now we're walking back down the stretch.
Yes.
That's the thing I can take you to. Yeah.
Selfie time. Always selfie time. It's done it, Navy.
Nate will be like a ninja warrior.
Ninja.
Ninjago.
Nate's a chicken!
Hey, Nate's like I can do.
Angry bird hat, Nate.
Go, Autumn. That is so good, Nate. That is so good. Because he's got a great personality and great.
Who are you?
What's it going to be?
Ah!
Crazy scientist!
Yeah, mad scientist.
So how are you enjoying Copenhagen?
Very good.
What language does it speak?
French.
Danish.
Danish.
Danish pie.
Corrosion.
I like Copenhagen because he has Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Kimberly's a lot more mellowed now. She didn't have a coffee for 2 days up in Rovaniemi in the northern parts of Finland, and she was cranky. You should have seen her in the afternoon, in the morning.
Had the shakes.
Cranky.
Withdrawals.
I was actually seriously thinking about taking her to the hospital. It was that bad.
That bad.
Oh my God.
I'm just ignoring you, don't worry.
But you're on camera, how can you ignore me?
Quite easily.
Why?
Why? Because you're full of shit.
I am at the moment.
Get away from me!
Big
Get away.
poo.
Leave me alone, you disgusting old man.
Sweden's pretty. No, Denmark's pretty fun. The kids love it.
Kids love it.
Look at them.
Like yesterday. But
Going on a reindeer hunt.
What are they going to do when they find it? Just yell at it?
Finding it because it boom, 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 boom. Nate, tiptoe.
Boom. I'm hunting for rabbits.
Tiptoeing.
I'm hunting for rabbits.
I had one of these this afternoon, a bubble.
I was gonna. Do you want one of these or?
Bubble. I already had one.
You already had one. That's the place we always go to.
Yeah, that's the place that was so busy.
Yeah, that's the most famous and popular. All right, we're gonna have these
Oh look, we need a new
things.
guide.
Julia, what happened to your one?
It's full. Full.
Nothing like a new bag. All right. For dessert, ZC?
We came here.
Not to this one. All right. Sada! I'll ask the boss. Anything you want, mate. All right, what do you want, darling?
Ice cream.
What do you want,
Oh,
darling?
okay.
The dog, the cat, and the ice cream.
And the ice cream.
They're
yeah.
not welcoming.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's eat now. Hey, door. Hey, it's the 13th of May.
Yep. And we're gonna go
9
on a
o'clock.
tour.
And we're going to the thing. Yeah, sweet. What?
Kim, you got the
Hi.
No, no. Should be fine for a little bit.
What are you looking at, Kim? Starbucks?
Yeah.
Starbucks is on the corner of that building.
Which way are we going?
Across there.
Whoa! Alright, let's walk on this.
Get one just there.
Yes. So, Craig, we've not made far. We could have done the whole city again to ourselves in like an hour.
I did it in an hour this morning. I did the whole eastern area from here this morning by myself. And all the areas.
And it was beautiful.
Big.
Good morning.
And they
We're
would
on the boat.
say
We
20
are
fish.
in Neham, going on the
then
grand tour.
they do
I go on the
a
grand
third
tour
and a quarter
every
and a-
single time I
So
come
never
to
know. So
Denmark.
when they
I
mean
love it.
75, they say some. They don't say
Goes
75.
everywhere.
They say something else.
Isaiah's having
Yeah.
fun.
3/4 or something like that.
Yeah.
They're talking
and
about
I don't-
Corona.
I
Mom's
don't
taking
pick
a
up
million pictures.
that. I don't know
Kimberly's
how it
cuddling up.
works
That'd
fully.
be hard when you're used to one
I'm
way.
just chilling. Dad's having a look at the map. Dad, what's the map say?
We should have been up the other side.
Like when we went to the guy yesterday and I asked if he
So,
had something from the
I'm having
year.
fun.
I asked him
having
in
fun,
Swedish
Zizi?
and then
You
he
got your
knows
sunnies
some
on?
Swedish.
Yeah,
But I put like the Danish excuse me first and then I swapped to talking slow Swedish and then he replies in slow Danish and I can understand what he says.
Hey, Daddy,
But if
come
I
sit out
just
the
hear
boat.
people talking Danish and they don't know I'm Swedish, I don't keep up. Yeah. So it's like Scottish and Welsh. You
Yeah.
don't always understand what they say even if
There's
it's
an accent as well as the language.
yeah.
Barrier.
Yeah, it is. It used to be like one but then there's
Mermaid, she's lost her head twice and lost an arm once, and had paint thrown on her, and been the subject of various religious and political statements, unfortunately. I think when you are an important symbol, of course you attract attention, and
She's
if you want
beautiful.
to say something, you know, everyone, it will be in
And look how
all
clear
the
the water
newspapers
is.
tomorrow. Something happens
Robert,
to her.
look how clear the
But
water is.
luckily nothing has happened for a very long time. It's terrible, of course, but it does because she's a very important symbol to us
beautiful
from Copenhagen and
Sarabara.
Danish literature and history altogether. Of course, a great symbol also just of the writing of Hans Christian Andersen, who is of immense
Love ya.
importance to us here in
Love
Denmark.
ya.
So, always
Bye, Little Mermaid.
Is she pretty?
we can always just put it back together. Let's go think about it.
So here we are in mini Amsterdam.
As you can see, there are
We're in Copenhagen.
very nice
And it's beautiful.
It's really nice. So the further we go in, the more it's going to look like Amsterdam.
Having fun, Zizi? Bimberly? You having fun?
Yeah.
You need what? Food? Coffee?
Didn't you get
I
one
would've
this morning?
I would have bought you one.
What are the people on the rowboat going to do?
All over. What do you think, Faffy?
Row very fast.
Yes.
Faffy? What do you think?
So these boats can't leave.
No, they can.
Yeah.
They can leave, but it's costly.
Yeah.
But they don't. They.
So people live on them.
See, there's your spiral tower. Are you
Oh,
going to
yeah.
walk to the top, Deborah?
Ah, no thanks.
See the golden stairs?
Yeah, no thanks.
That's what I'm
Look at this
saying.
house, Craig. Right on the water.
There, you can walk all the way up the
If
golden
you
stairs.
consider getting a spot here for your boat, just any of these regular spots here, there is just about a 20-year waiting list. So it's
Put your name down now.
probably sign the kids up when they're young, because it's a long wait. If you look straight ahead and to the left,
not too
you see
late
the
for
spire of
autumn.
the church. This is called Our Saviour's Church, and it is quite popular or well known here in Copenhagen. And if you look close, you can see there is a stairway that goes all the way around on the outside of the spear. And when the church is open, you actually go in and walk up, and you can walk.
So we're going through Stornbrunnen. This is the...
Bridge on the other tour.
Yep. But this is the smallest bridge. And then it gets right to the edge of the other side and literally touches the corner and then turns.
Yeah.
See, that's great.
Good job.
They put up railings, you see?
Yeah.
Kisses the law.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Tunnel.
Yeah.
Like a little roller coaster.
Yeah.
Little love tunnel. And see? It
Just
turns
fits.
to the end. Look how close he is.
You have to have a front screw.
That is crazy.
You're gonna sit next to Mummy. Isn't that cool? Stornbrunnen.
Stornbrunnen.
It's nice when you've gone on a few times. You don't have to really focus. You just relax
I love
and
it.
enjoy.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
I love it.
That sound there was the sound of a boat turning, not braking.
What'd you think, Craig? Was that cool?
To your right,
Ja, man.
this is Thorvaldsen's museum. Bertel Thorvaldsen was very...
Dude, that's what it means. Alright, so here we are at the castle. We're walking around
castle
in the
are we at?
square. Danish castle, Denmark.
Denmark. How is it related to us?
And Queen Mary is in that building having a fika. Princess Mary, that's it. She'll be coming one day. And we're just chilling. The kids are having a blast doing whatever they're doing. Deepro's eating. Sarah's carrying Norman. Craig and Dad are trying to figure out God knows what. And I'm walking with Bimberly. Having a good time.
Great time. It's freezing.
It's freezing. If you could feel the
Actually, it's
temperature
not
here, you'd be amazed. It is frickin' freezing.
Not freezing.
It's freezing on the beach at Homestead.
So yeah, it's beautiful.
Freezing.
So now we're just enjoying up the sun while we can, waiting for the changing of the guards.
What day is it?
13th, it's a Monday. And yeah, it's awesome. It's cold
Awesome.
and dry.
It's just awesome.
We just went
We're
on the
here for
boat
2
trip.
days. It's just awesome.
The boat trip was
2
awesome.
days. We're here for 2 days.
And
It's 13 degrees. It's
what
not-
did you tell me
not
this
that
morning?
cold.
What's happening this morning? Who's
What's
coming?
happening?
Who's coming this morning?
I'm here. I'm
Oh,
coming this morning.
Kim's here this
We went on a
morning.
boat ride this morning.
So yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, it's awesome. All right.
And Judy's friend turns up tonight.
Yeah, which friend? Is it starts with an S or it starts with a B?
B.
Ah,
Blake.
I thought the S one was the one that's
Comstock
coming.
is
So. All right, and B blank key is coming.
Comstock.
And yeah, that's it. Oh, they're gonna go say hi. This is cool. Hey door.